In many ways, a camera functions like the human eye, capturing images in an instant and sending them for processing. Inspired by the abilities of the human ocular network, at Viska Systems, we are proud to be at the forefront of automated inspection, helping manufacturers push the limits of what's possible with machine vision. Implementation of machine vision solutions can optimize quality, maximize throughput, and minimize waste if implemented successfully. At Viska Systems, we offer cutting-edge automation integration and vision solutions by applying our expertise in machine vision, robotics, and software development, bridging the gap between these areas. We thrive on innovation and have grown to become a market leader of automated machine vision solutions with an international customer base. We leverage the latest technological advances, such as AI, to enable automated systems to make human-like quality decisions. With our Visible platform, we are revolutionizing the robotic vision inspection space. Systems we have successfully deployed inspect millions of products annually in applications such as complex optical character recognition, defect detection, part dimension measurements, and product and assembly quality inspection. We're passionate about enabling technology evolution for our customers, allowing their machines to move, think, and see. No matter what the challenge looks like, we will find a way to achieve your vision through innovation and automation, delivering solutions that make the difference. You'll see it in an instant.